Everyone, this is Jay from the Crypto channel, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about one of the bullish projects out there when it comes to smart contracts as well as decentralized finance. Now, before I get started, I just want to say I'm not a financial advisor, so please don't take my video as financial advice. You need to do your own research in order to understand the new economy, so that way you can guide yourself better as well as others if you want to help them. And of course, if you want a little tip on understanding the new economy and where to start doing your research so that way you save yourself some time, look into ARK Invest. They have done their work, put their money in to do the research, and this is what they found. AI, robotics, energy storage, DNA sequencing, and blockchain are going to be the biggest disruptors. And if you want to explore the other disruptors out there, please do take a look into the right side of this graph, as it will give you an idea on which crypto projects to pay attention to. But in today's video, we're going to be talking more about the whole blockchain as well as decentralized finance. Okay? Alright, so why Solana, Polkadot have been the least impacted by the crypto crash. Research firm Messari published a report on the performance of 5 sectors in the crypto industry after the recent crash. And smart contracts platform like Solana, Cosmos, Polkadot, Kusama, and there's a bunch of other smart contracts platform out there as well, like Cardano, Zilliqa. Those are 2. Anyways, relentless selling pressure caused the main cryptocurrencies to correct more than 50% in mid-May, with that whole FUD about Bitcoin miners in China being banned. That caused a lot of turmoil in the whole crypto space. On June 3rd, crypto market closed on a positive for the first time since that moment. As Talamas noted, the smart contract sector saw an overall return 3.11% in assets such as Solana, Polkadot, Atom, Kusama, as well as Nervos, CKB. Pretty sure it's Nervos. But please, guys, do your research to confirm that. So, yep, this is the graph right here, smart contracts, DeFi. Remember, guys, Brian Brooks stated that decentralized financing is the new banking. Centralized finance is more like your local retail banks or big banks like BlackRock Capital or BlackRock. But I'm mainly talking about the retail banks. Those banks, if they don't adapt to the new change, then they're going to get left behind. Things are moving towards peer-to-peer payments now. And yet, decentralized exchange is one of those, like peer-to-peer payment. No, actually, it's not peer-to-peer, but it allows you to swap your coins in there outside of the centralized entities. And yeah, Web3, this involves artificial intelligence, has been the least to recover. But once utility season starts, you're gonna see Web3 applications get more traction. But remember, that is not financial advice. You need to do your own research so that way you guys understand the general trend of where or how this economy is moving. And if you follow this channel, I show you what I find so that way you guys can understand it. It's much better to have someone that has been having has developed skin in the game to basically give you guys a leverage. I mean, you use my information and leverage it. Don't use it as a financial advice. That's what I'm saying. Save yourself some time. Alright, so let's see here. You have other DeFi projects out there like Link, Uniswap, Aave as well. They've been one of the worst performers, but you know what? It's okay. We understand where they're heading to and their roles, and they have pretty big roles as well as big backing. So just because they took a big hit doesn't mean that they're still not going to take that big growth. They just need some time. Give it some time. Things are consolidating right now, moving towards Maybe lower floor, but don't quote me on that, because I do see the summer being a dry summer for a lot of projects of the whole entire space. But overall, it's just consolidating for a bigger push, bigger rally, which is going to occur in somewhere in the fall. But you got to pay attention to my channel if you want information, not necessarily insider information. I don't have that kind of network, maybe not yet, but I do realize the trends, guys, and I've been making money from it. So crypto startup Solana raised 314 million to develop a faster blockchain, and they're already fast enough as is. One of the recent Ethereum projects that migrated to Solana is Kin, which is, in my opinion, another solid project when it comes to mass adoption, because it's catering towards the masses. But please do your research there. Blockchain startup Solana Labs says it raised 314 million of new funding to develop technology used in the fast-growing area of the cryptocurrency market known as decentralized finance, which is the new banking, according to Brian Brooks. So the funding round was led by Andreessen Horowitz. Oh my God. Guys, I'm going to show you this guy's portfolio right after this, okay? He's one of the Silicon Valley's most prominent venture capitalist firms, and as well as Polychain Capital, which he invested on, which is a crypto hedge fund that also does VC or venture capitalist style investments. And this is Andreessen Horowitz's portfolio. This is his website as well. A16Z is the name of his company. This is his team that helps him grow, helps the company grow as well. Guys, keep in mind that you got to work with other people in order for you to grow. If you want to grow much faster. And yeah, here you go. This is your cheat sheet right here. AVAX, another smart contracts platform. CeeLo, Uchiha, Coinbase, Compound, another decentralized exchange. Facebook Deem, this one's going to be big. Definity, oh my God. You have Maker as well. Keep, Privacy, OpenSea, NFTs, Near Protocol, and other smart contracts. Polychain Capital. You have Rally, social media, and of course Solana. You have Uniswap, which is a decentralized exchange for the masses as well. It's very, very easy to use. And so if you take something like this, offer it to one person, and you bring them Binance with the original platform, they're most likely going to be using Uniswap because it's much easier to use. Whereas the other one, like Binance, you kind of have to go through the process of understanding which buttons does what, and how to trade, how to look at the chart. But also keep in mind, Binance also does have another has Binance Lite, which is almost similar to Coinbase in terms of user interface. So keep that in mind. Binance has two now. But anyways, when it comes to which projects will win in the end, it's basically the one that is more catered towards mass adoption, because if the masses can't use the certain cryptocurrency or the platform, they're not gonna get backing. The masses not gonna hate it. I mean, the masses are going to hate it. So yeah, so whichever company out there makes it easy for us to use, that is where big money is gonna put their money in. So do your own due diligence to do your research, so that way you see it ahead of time before anyone else comes in there. And yes, following my channel is one of them. And yeah, that is all I have. If you find this informative towards understanding the new economy, please do press like, share, and subscribe as well. And hit the notification button as well in order for you to get notified whenever I come out with a video. And yeah, that is all I have. Thank you so much